Two new pickups in from J.Crew. They had a big sale again, 70% off. Picked up some denim. And yeah. Take a look. Picked up the denim here. So this is classic relaxed fit denim 1 year wash. Here we go. Got the classic relaxed 1 year wash. Yeah. The denim here. Take a look at this other piece. Other items here. Picked up one of these J.Crew jacket suits. It's like $20. Regular price like $120. This one's all gray. Right here. Picked up some socks. Lightweight camp socks. Picked up another one. These are like $3. Cool. So this one came in this little bag, of course, to put your suit in, I suppose. J.Crew for that suit. Then we have another denim here. This is classic straight jean, 2 year wash. So I have the 1 year wash, and then this is a 2 year. This is the 2 year wash, so it's like a little faded, of course. This is a little darker denim. This is the 1 year. This is that 1 year. You can tell from the color difference. 1 year, 2 year. They had these options to choose from. Yeah, this one's like 15 bucks. Can't really complain. J.Crew quality is pretty decent for denim, but yeah, more of the classic relaxed fit, no more of that skinny anymore. But yeah, just some quick pickups from J.Crew. It's 70% off sale going on. I believe they're still going on, but I think all the good things are gone. You gotta hop on the sale if you want some goodies. But yeah, quick pickup. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.